Hi everyone, this is Alexa. Welcome to my channel. I'm really happy you're here. Starting in front of the mirrors today, they always seem simple until you're the one cleaning them. Every little spot, every smudge, every invisible trace suddenly catches the light and begs for attention. I like to begin with the top edge, a slow stretch up, fingers gliding over the frame, heels shifting slightly as I reach higher. You can't rush a mirror, you have to move with intention. Spray, wipe, pause, check the angle. Sometimes the light plays tricks on you. It hides what's really there. So I tilt my head, move a little closer, and look again. It's not just about cleaning. It's about the satisfaction of making something spotless. Watching as the cloudiness disappears and the surface becomes sharp, flawless, reflecting the room and me back in perfect clarity. There's a kind of elegance in this process, the way the cloth glides, the way the curves in the glass bend the reflection slightly, and the way my dress hugs my shape just enough to keep things interesting as I move. It's quiet, focused work, but I enjoy it. There's a calm to it, a rhythm that feels almost like a dance. 1 foot forward, lean in, a gentle press of my hand against the surface, and a smooth pull down, then again, and again. I take my time with the corners. Those are always the trickiest. Little bits of dust love to hide there. But not today. Today I'm in the mood for perfection. Now, time to move on. But maybe I'll take one more look before I go, just to see how the light catches the glass. And maybe, just maybe, catch a glimpse of something nice looking back. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a little comment, and follow me for more. See you in the next video. It's gonna be even more fun. Bye bye from Alexa.